In this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple different applications you can do with the KSC 60. First one is I want to join these two boards together utilizing a dado. I can use the trenching feature with the KSC 60 to make a dado in this piece for the other one to be attached to. I've already gone ahead and clamped a sacrificial board down so that when I make a cut, I can cut all the way through this board and not have a half moon shape on the back side. You'll see what I mean in a minute. The next thing I want to do is set the depth of how far I'm cutting down with the Capex. And to do that, I simply want to move this green lever forward. Now that will allow me to adjust how deep the Capex is going to cut. Simply lower it down, and I've marked on the side of my board where I want to cut. I can just twist this knob clockwise or counterclockwise to make it deeper or shallower. So now that I've got the depth set, I can go ahead and turn on my shadow line, and then all I have to do is line that up with my pencil marks that I put there, make several cuts, clean out the dado, and then fit the piece. And as you can see, I've got a perfect dado right at the depth that I wanted. Once I'm done making the dado, all I have to do is simply press the lever back, and it goes back to the standard cutting position. The next application I want to show you is cutting trim, whether it be baseboard, chair rail, or crown molding. Sometimes those corners aren't exactly 90 degrees. In fact, most times they're not. So what we're going to utilize is the miter transfer device that is included with the Capex KSC 60. Simply all you do is go up to the corner, whether it's an inside or outside corner, extend the two aluminum rails, line that up to the corner, tighten the green dial down, then I can take it back to the KSC 60. So with the miter angle locked into the miter fast, I can now adjust the saw itself to cut that miter. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and override the detent like I showed you before, and then I'll just rotate the base of the saw until these white arrows line up with the blue arrows on the edge of the miter fast, and then lock down the knob, and then I can clamp the material down and make the cut. With my shadow light on, I can go ahead and finish the cut. With these two pieces cut, I can go ahead and test the fit. And those are just a few of the applications you can complete with the KSC 60.